everyone. Hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, look at this image. Some people are not able to match the physical or mental abilities with others. They are like us with some additional and good qualities too. So, kindly we will learn about new chapter, that is special people. Okay. Then what is special people? People who face difficulties to see, hear, speak, move or walk properly. Such people are called physically challenged people or special people. Okay. Dear students, our first category is physically challenged people. The people with physical disabilities are physically challenged. Children, you can see this picture. Some people can't see. They are called blind. Some people can't speak. They are called mute or dumb. Some people can't hear. They are called deaf. Got it? Students, let us now mentally challenged people. The people whose brain do not function normally are called mentally challenged people. A growth is different from the normal people. Let us now, I'll tell one story. Students, look at this image. His name is Hamid. He is a poor orphan. He lives with his grandmother. He has very little money to spend on Eid, the holy day for Muslims. He goes to a fair along with his friends who spend money in buying sweets, toys, etc. But Hamid does not purchase anything for himself. They laugh at him as he bargains for a chimta in a shop for his grandmother. He feels sad when she burns her hands while she makes rotis over a chula. They are so poor that she cannot afford to buy a chimta to flip the rotis over the fire. She is touched by this concern when he presents her the chimta on his return from the fair. Children are naturally caring. They show concern for others from an early age. When children watch others giving respect to their elders, they also learn about respect and care. A well-behaved child makes others happy. He or she gets along very well with the peer group and also cares for his or her belongings and behaves in a responsible manner. Older members of the family need our love and care. Got it? We must take care of them. They should get enough rest as they become weak with age. They like to stay in a peaceful environment. Noise disturbs them. Many children play noisy games. It makes their grandparents angry. If they are sleeping, children should play or study quietly. They should not throw things around or increase the volume of radio or television. Got it? Beside the old people in the family and neighborhood, there are some children who need our special care. They cannot hear or see. They are known as hearing or visually challenged children. They may be suffering from the problems since birth due to an accident or a disease. They can do most things on their own, but our love and cooperation can make their life better. Got it? Dear students, look at this picture. You can see in this picture Vidhi and Kushang with their baby boy Meet. Both Vidhi and Kushang are hearing and speech impaired. They cannot speak or hear. Vidhi finished her schooling from Delhi, where she studied with normal children. Her teachers gave her special coaching in lip reading and sign language. Her classmates helped her a lot. Vidhi's parents supported her at every step. She learnt the skill of lip reading and sign language. She is a graduate and works as a computer operator in an office. Kushang works in a courier company. They live in Hyderabad with their son. Her son is perfectly normal. They manage everything on their own. Both Vidhi and Kushang help other children who are unable to speak and hear. Some old people become hard of hearing. Sometimes a child may put some small and sharp object in the ear and harm the eardrum. It is very important to take care of our ears. We must follow good hygiene and safety measures. Got it? Dear students, look at this image. Divakar Sharma from Delhi cannot see, but his singing has helped him to show the world the beauty of music. Divakar started singing at the age of 4 and has been taking training in Indian classical music since then. He has participated in many TV, radio, and stage programs. He has become a very good singer in spite of the challenge. Dear children, look at this image. Who cannot see are trained to read and write Braille. They see with their fingers. Special dots are put in special spaces on paper. Each dot or a group of dots stand for a letter or letters of alphabet. Visually challenged people can also learn to write by using a special notched ruler that helps them to make right dots for each letter. The visually challenged children also learn from talking books. Their ears help them to read. A person reads aloud into a tape recording machine. Many copies are made from the tape for the libraries. Visually challenged people can borrow these talking books from the libraries. It is sad that some children are born blind, but some children lost their eyesight due to disease or lack of hygiene. Some children have very weak eyesight. So, children, we must take good care of our eyes. In case of any eye problem, we must visit a doctor without delay. An ophthalmologist examines our eyes. He or she can give us spectacles. If our eyesight becomes weak, you must have seen many old people with spectacles because eyesight becomes weak with age. Got it?